Let's move on then to step number 8. Adding in the valuation of the associate as our next skill. So I was saying to you earlier, the amount of money you paid to buy 30% of my company, which is 120, that is 30%, will be added to with the growth since the date of acquisition. Don't forget the date of acquisition was at the start of the year. I beg your pardon, at the middle of the year. The date of acquisition was at the middle of the year. From the middle of the year till the end of the year, that little piece, 80, which comes, of course, from your net assets list, times 30%, that 24 is added to the 120. So don't forget, if your net assets at the date of acquisition is said to be 260, and at the end of the year, 6 months later, it is 340, that difference is 80. 30% of 80 is down to you, because you have in some ways significantly influenced my company. I'm, after all, your associate. So that's how you value the associate. 120 plus 24 is 144. In this particular question, there's no impairment. If there was, you just take it away. So please be careful. What else can we see? Be very careful with the associate. They are merely an attachment, a bolted-on skill to the basic parent and subsidiary skills you have. Understand what happens with an associate, and it will be a gift, I say, of several easy marks. I firmly believe that. Usually the associate carries about 5 extra marks. So if you're happy with doing a parent plus subsidiary, you just bolt on this additional skill. And the secret, of course, is knowing the valuation of associate technique. Now, I've kept it very simple. At the start of the year, you paid whatever it was, 120. Since the start of the year till the end of the year, I've grown by 80. You take 30% of that. So if you add your 120 plus 24, 144 minus any impairment, if any, that's it. That's your valuation of the associates. It's actually extremely easy.